Lunch Break Live with those annoying vegans.
Hello.
Brian and Anna.
We're making AVO-Spirulina Ice Cream.
Woo!
The most vegan ice cream you've ever heard of in your life. This is probably one of the fastest recipes you'll ever see. You just put a bunch of stuff in the NutriBullet or the Vitamix, whatever you got, you blend it up, you freeze it.
And so it's making ice cream healthy, because this, instead of being something that is a guilt-inducing experience, this is actually, we're getting healthier. Max Halber says you're my favorite vegan couple.
Well, thank you, Max.
Aw, thanks, Max. So if you're using a NutriBullet, first of all, because you're going to be turning it upside down like this, you want to put the liquids first. So here's some coconut water. This is half a cup of coconut water.
So next, we have a quarter cup of maple syrup. That's going to be what's going to sweeten the ice cream. Part of it. So a quarter cup of maple syrup goes right in there.
All right.
A tablespoon of spirulina. Now, spirulina comes in powder form, but so what we did is we mixed it. We mixed it into kind of like a paste.
Yeah.
And so, like, the ratio is 1 to 4 tablespoons of water.
Ooh.
A 1 to 4 ratio, 1 part spirulina powdered and 4 parts water. Spoon, and I'm about to spill it. It's a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract.
Okay, there we go.
Pure vanilla extract is very important. 2 stevia droppers worth of stevia.
Yeah, and
It's about
and
two
as you
droppers
put that in, I want to show this is another secret weapon. Arjun, you're learning, and all those who are baby vegans, stevia is a really great thing to have.
About 1/8 of a teaspoon of cinnamon. It's really to taste, but we just do a little dash of cinnamon.
Okay.
These are healthy fats from whole plant foods right here.
Yeah.
Those of you that don't know, dairy is the #1 source of saturated fat in the standard American diet. Saturated fat elevates your serum cholesterol level, and your serum cholesterol level is the single highest risk factor for whether or not you're going to suffer a heart attack. Finally, we're going to keep the chocolate chips and the pine nuts out for a second, but this is 1.5 cups of ice.
Okay.
Yes.
These are soaked overnight.
Oh, okay.
So that just makes them a little softer.
So you just buy pine nuts at the store. It doesn't have to be special. Blending number 2. Yeah.
Ralph's has a brand called Simple Truth.
Yes, I've gotten those.
Yeah. Bunch of chocolate chips.
Okay. Oh, you mean you're not going to go back?
We're not going to blend it, no, because you want the chocolate chips to retain their shape and size.
Yeah?
Yeah, it tastes. It's wonderful. It's nice.
Put it into a freezer-safe container. Maybe something metal.
Yeah.
This is a repurposed Cocoa Bella ice cream.
Oh, wow, that's
container.
perfect. Okay.
So we just repurposed it, but you can put it in a Pyrex or a Tupperware, anything that you can freeze. So
all right, so here we go. So you just pour that in,
and then you mix more than a what is this?
Wow, this is fantastic. I'm gonna make this for sure. The magic of it all.
2 hours later.
The actual ice cream.
So this one's very frozen.
Wow.
Oh wow.
Yeah, I will say that as far as how did our lives change so quickly, or how did my life change so quickly? You'd be surprised what you're capable of when you meet someone who you love, and they touch your heart, and you open yourself up to change. You'd be surprised.
You know, we tend to be a little bit like, I don't want to try new things, but it's kind of necessary when you go vegan, you know? There's a lot of food we haven't tried.
When I gave up drinking 24 years ago, I thought, oh, I'll never go to a party, I'll never have fun, I'll never go skiing. Well, actually, I never went skiing again. I'll never go to the beach, I'll never watch a sunset. And of course, I'm doing all of these things. If people want to get involved by going to your vigils, where do they go?
Yeah, so follow LA Animal Save. Or Animal Alliance Network also holds a pig vigil on Wednesdays. But LA Animal Save on Instagram and Facebook, we post a schedule weekly.
No vegan has ever said that, they wish they hadn't gone vegan. Every vegan always says it's the best decision I ever made in my life. I wish I had done it sooner.
Yeah. Thanks, everyone. Woo! Those are